Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Hilton Garden Inn. But I'm not gonna make a hotel review now because I will show you the neighborhood here, okay? This is the neighborhood if you stay in the Hilton Garden Inn. So I'm gonna take you on a ride here a little bit. We're gonna go here to the left, check out the neighboring hotels. Gonna go on the beach and check out this whole beach part here, what's gonna happening here and everything, because on this side there's nothing going on there. But yeah, I'm checking this out for my members, Daniel and Jonna, and they're gonna stay here. I'm super excited to review all those hotels here, because I could imagine the best hotels are here. I'm super hyped. Like the Hilton Garden Inn is very nice. I think I've never been in there. I mean, I've been in the lobby now. Marcus had a coffee there. But there are some hotels here that are so nice, and I did not review them yet on my main channel. But I will do it soon. You have a seafood restaurant over here. Fresh seafood, okay? Ong Min. I have no idea if it's good, but it looks pretty big. Maybe it's busy enough. So we have a little bit of the beach part over there. We're gonna walk over there right now. But let's check out these beautiful hotels first. This is Celle de Mer. So many people recommended me this place. It is super highly rated. I will make a video about it 100%. I'm so excited. Look at this. They all have these balconies, and then here right next to it is Red by Radisson. It's also huge on my list. They just opened up. So I don't want to make a review when they just open up, because they're probably not that like, you know, when a hotel opens up, nothing works 100% right. I'm good. How are you? Are you working Celle de Mer?
Yes, I am working here.
Oh,
I'm
awesome.
security here.
Oh, okay.
I'm on the way watching on television about your video clip.
Oh, you saw me?
Yeah.
All right. I will come back. I'll do my walking tour now.
Yeah.
But soon I will make a hotel review of this Celle de Mer and Radisson.
I know.
I'm very excited about those hotels.
I saw you review many hotels.
Yes,
This row.
100 already.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Thank you,
okay.
Mr. Dong.
That's a very good.
Have a good day. Thank you,
Enjoy
Mr.
your
Dong.
day.
Okay.
You too.
See you soon, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Super nice. Mr. Dong, the security manager here. Red. This is beautiful. This is like the type of hotels I like.
Yeah.
Blackout rooftop bar. It looks like somehow like a house, but it's just like, this is the style, you know. Should we check out inside real quick?
Yeah,
Just the lobby. I never been here. I really want to see. It's just the lobby, but I will definitely make a hotel review here because it's super nice. Anyone opening it up? All right. Yeah, too late. German is faster here. All right. Hello. Yeah. Look at this beautiful interior. My God, it smells good here, right? Dude, look at this stylish hotel. Guys, stay tuned. I will review that soon, okay?
It's very nice.
So, high ceilings, nice and red. Like these sofas, they're so nice. But you know what? This is a walking channel.
They're
What?
also serving popcorn.
They're serving popcorn, okay. Nice, okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm excited. I'm so excited to review those hotels. All right, we just had a long conversation with some Germans. Funny enough, from my hometown.
Yeah.
They watch my English videos, but we have similar common friends. That's very funny. And we did the same hotel industry studying.
Yeah.
And this year,
Apprenticeship, right?
yeah.
Somehow.
I think that's like a mix out of studying but look at this. This hotel, I think it was something, but they closed it. There's nothing going on here anymore.
No, they're still open.
But there's no brand. What is that? Like, it looks like a ghost town. Closure notice.
Oh, closure.
It's closed. Oh, Fusion Suites, okay. So this whole building closes. Huh? Owner change.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, owner
Thank you.
change.
Fusion Suites owner changing. Maybe you can get some good deals now at the moment.
But it looks they're still using it.
Yeah.
Somehow.
But there is no branding on it anymore. So that's what I mean, right? If you don't have a branding, you are not a building, right?
Yeah.
It's just sad. But look at this. This is also a very, very highly rated hotel building, Peninsula. It is super highly rated, and lots of people gave me recommendations about that. And look at this, the beach part is pretty nice here. Let's take a little bit of a right turn and go to the beach and check out what we can have there. But this hotel, 5 stars, all right. Huh, no balconies, maybe they have some penthouse suites. But yeah, I will come back. I'll be back. Because I will be in all those hotels. What hotel is that? My God, there's so many hotels still everywhere.
Grand.
Okay, we're gonna check out what's happening here. And from there, we're gonna go and check out the beach part. Is it a good beach?
Oh,
Can you stay there?
From here, I have to say it looks very nice because you can see the Lady Buddha.
Very close,
Wow,
yeah.
And the pagoda.
Yeah.
And also, again, a fish Haisan. It's a fish restaurant, right?
Yes, that's another fish restaurant. Fresh seafood. Fresh seafood. And on the next door, nothing going on there. Ah, another seafood restaurant, but indoor. Or? Yeah. It looks a little bit close, right?
Yeah.
All right. Ah, maybe they're just opening it up. No, it's for rent. So if you want to rent a seafood restaurant, let's go.
Now it's your chance.
Now it's a chance. Maybe you want to also get the fusion suites. All right. We're gonna cross here and check out the beautiful ocean here. Ooh la la. Okay, I mean, not much going on here. I think maybe those are like the system where they get the rainwater out in the ocean. Let's go here. Let's check it out. It's a little bit too high.
Yeah, there is a. Let's see here.
All right. Whew. We're risking our lives here. Right, so here are the hotels, and this is the beach part, okay? Hi. Hi. You want to play a song for us? I'm recording. You kind of play?
That's why.
Oh, that's why you go far away. You want to be in my video? You want to be in my video?
But I can't play. If I could
It's
play
okay.
something, maybe next time.
Oh, you're filming it here
For
too?
my family.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Where are you from?
I think I might have seen a video of yours actually.
Yeah, maybe. I do a lot of videos.
Yeah.
I'm doing walking videos right now, but yeah.
Nice. Okay.
So where are you from?
England.
England. Oh, cool. What's your name?
So nice to
Sus?
meet you.
Semi.
Sus,
And this is my friend Marcus.
Marcus, nice to meet you. What's
Awesome. What do you say?
What's your name?
Semi and Marcus.
Sam.
Semi.
Semi.
Yes, yes. And it's a very nice. We're just checking out this whole beach area here. If it's like a good area if you stay in one of those hotels. This is the idea, right? So if you stay in one of those very nice hotels, is the beach really nice or not? That's what we're gonna film now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where do you guys stay?
We stay in the Antung area.
Yeah,
In
same.
the touristic area.
Yeah.
Same. I prefer the quieter area.
Yeah. I think this is great if you come all the way out here and you can play some ukulele.
Maybe I'll go that way.
Okay.
It's nice, it's peaceful, isn't it?
Yeah, and you have the beautiful view here on the Sunshine Mountains and the Lin Pagoda. Yeah.
Are you here for
great.
vacation or just?
Essentially, yeah. I was supposed to come for just a month,
Yeah.
and maybe then do some other cities in Vietnam, but I like it.
It's hard to leave, right?
So I'm just gonna stay until I'm ready to leave.
All right.
6 months.
Yeah, why not? Why not? Especially now. It's still very bad in England, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
terrible.
Yeah.
It's terrible. And where are you from?
I'm from Germany. Yeah, we're both from Germany, yeah.
Oh,
Hamburg.
nice.
Yeah. I'm from the south, yeah.
Yeah, he's from France. Yeah.
All right, hey, nice to meet you, okay?
to meet
And have
you.
fun more with the ukulele.
Yes.
And good
Awesome.
luck.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. All right, look at this beautiful ocean here. But this is the way, right? If you want to be alone, just come here. unless some two morons like us walking around and
It just
start harassing you. No. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. But the only bad thing I see here is it's still not perfect, the beach, because it's like the dirt came up from the strong winds and strong ocean current, and there's still the trash here. And since this, I mean, I don't understand that. So listen, this is an expensive hotel. All those hotels are big brand hotels. This is your beach part. You better get your shit together. Really. Like all those plastic, come on. But yeah, that's the only thing I have to say. What about you?
No, but sometimes it's easier to complain about stuff, just
Yeah.
for, even for the general managers of this hotel. So
But at the end of the day, it's a public beach.
Yeah.
The government has to take care of it.
But,
They do a good job in the important areas.
no, but also when I did my 20,000, 30,000 step challenge, I saw in the morning people cleaning up.
Yeah.
But it's just, I think you have to do it constantly.
Yeah, I think at the moment I can understand. It's like a lot of, oh, look at this. Maybe that's what the people doing here. They are isolated.
Yeah, I think this is a part of this Sea Mar, or what did you? The one hotel.
Celle de Mar?
Yeah, I think this is a part of the Celle de Mar.
Oh,
Beach
okay, okay. So you have your private area here. Is this a pool? Marcus, is this a pool?
I don't know.
That would be good.
Do not look like a pool. Maybe it is.
We will check it out.
Yeah, let's disturb the people.
Yeah, 100%. Why not? It is a pool. It is a roof. It is a pool right at the beach. How nice! Now I understand. Who cares about the peasants on the beach part here? Hey, peasants, you have house weather down there, but you have this beautiful pool here. It looks very nice. But let's go to the front. I wanna know from which beach part it is. Do you think it is from the Fusion Resort? Because this is a crazy big cell here. This is a beautiful pool, especially for children here.
I think the last time when I passed by, I truly believe I thought this is a part of this.
Celle de Mer?
Yes.
How do we get up there?
Here. Over the ramp.
Oh, yeah. You got some boats here, some jet skis, very old ones. The ramp. Okay, so how do we get up in there to the good people?
There's the gate.
Yeah, interesting. I mean, it looks like it belongs to Fusion. But let's see what the gate says. Or is it public to all?
Oh, there's not even a gate. Maybe the gate was there. But here's.
All right, maybe the main entrance is over there. Maybe it's from the peninsula. Now from here it looks a little bit like it could be from Peninsula. So whose pool is that? Fusion. Huh. It looked like it. So it is from Pool Rules Don't.
Yeah, but this is the area that closed down, right? Officially.
Yeah. Here. Swimming pool is reserved of the in-house guests of the Fusion Suites Da Nang. The hotel only. So it's this here. But this,
The owner changed.
yeah, the owner changed. And then here you have some guards. All right. So this is from Fusion. This is from Fusion, right? Fusion? This is from Fusion, right?
Yeah.
Fusion?
Fusion.
Okay. But is the owner changed or brand is still the same?
No, closed.
Closed. Oh, okay. When is open again?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Interesting. Okay. So this is like this will change soon. So the Fusion is closed. The owner changed. It is not open, but people live in there. I
Yeah.
could imagine people have long-term rentals right now until there is. I mean, they're renting it out. I saw it. I think it's very, very cheap at the moment. But as soon as the new owner comes and does something else with it, people get out. But it's very interesting. Think about that. You're living in the Fusion Suites,
Yeah.
and you can enter this pool. I think you can just bribe the guy and you come in anyways. That's what I would do if I would be here. Because, I mean, okay, but let's see also, what do we have after that? Do we have some options for Salle de Mer, or do we have some options for the Hilton? Because it looks a little bit abandoned. I don't know what's going on in there. Is there another pool? We will find out right now. So this looks like something. This is,
King Duan.
it's like a stage. But it looks like very fancy inside. It's like Greek. A Greek stage. The Greek god Marcus Helvig.
They have a pool there.
They have a pool there?
Yeah, I saw it. It's on the left side.
Okay.
You see?
Yes, there's a pool. It looks like it could be something at some point.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Huh.
But no people.
So this is the Hilton Garden Inn. We're gonna take a little stroll in there. It looks like a beach restaurant slash club, maybe. We will find out. So there it looks like a seafood restaurant. And this here looks like, yeah, something. Some kind of event area. And this might be the restaurant. Huh. But it's like, it just wakes up from a long winter sleep. I think it's still closed. But there you have a direct pool access. All right. Yeah, I don't know what's going on in here. You can see here all the hotels towards the Antung area. Okay, let's go out and see what's happening on the left side.
Maybe this is a standalone beach club.
All right, so nothing's happening on this beach part anymore. We will film a little bit here and see what's going on over there, right on the other side of the Hilton Garden Inn. I see some coffee sales establishments, but be always careful about those places when they have group offers to go in and give you a sales course. They're just gonna sell you very expensive weasel poop coffee. And I don't know about those places. It always gives me a little bit of a tourist trap vibes. Maybe it's good. Comment below. Let me know what you're thinking.
But this looks like a regular one.
No, that it looks like a coffee shop.
Yeah.
It looks like a coffee sales establishment. Look at this. But you know what? Let's check it out. Why talking? We're not talking all about talking here. We do something. Okay.
This is the authentic and pure journalism.
Yeah. German journalism. All right. Sol Coffee. I want to know what you're doing here. I'm pretty sure it's a sales course here. Oh, hello. Is it a coffee shop?
Yeah, you are sorry. I took this school.
This is a shopping center.
Korea.
Ah. Oh, okay. So you only sell coffee? Beans?
No.
Okay. It's only for Koreans?
Yeah, Korea.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very interesting, huh?
Okay.
So this is a sales place for Koreans. A sales tourist trap for Koreans. Crazy, right?
But you was
Same
right.
thing. Yeah, I know how those places are.
This is probably
You get
the
in
same.
there, they have all those little buses. You see those buses?
Oh, yeah.
And then there's some cheeky little Korean bus guides and tourist guides making a fortune. A fortune.
I want to make a fortune too.
Yeah, maybe you have to learn Korean and become a touring tour guide. Making a fortune, taking the Koreans to all those places and getting the 40% commission out of them. So yeah, this is what it is here. Those places you are not even allowed to get in as a non-Korean. All right.
Yeah.
Welcome to 2025. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out this video and see you in the next walk.